Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I'm showing you 5 hacks to boost your resume ATS score instantly. If you've ever uploaded your resume online and heard nothing back, chances are it got lost in the ATS scan. Don't worry, by the end of this video, your resume will glide through those systems like a pro. 1. Use color wisely. Little color can make your resume pop, but too much can kill your ATS score. Use color only for headers or dividers, not your main text. Keep it professional and readable so both recruiters and the ATS bots love it. 2. No text inside images. Here's a big one. Never hide text inside pictures or icons. When the resume scan runs, the ATS can't read that info, so your key skills might literally vanish. Always type your details directly. Plain text beats fancy graphics every time. 3. Stick to standard fonts like Art, Calibri or Times New Roman. Keep your resume clean and ATS friendly. Skip the artistic stuff. It's cool for posters, not for job applications. 4. Save as PDF. But test it first. Export your resume as a PDF so your layout stays perfect. Then test it. Copy and paste the text somewhere else. If it pastes cleanly, your ATS scan will read it too. If not, fix your formatting before sending it out. 5. Test it with MagicalAPI and finally use MagicalAPI and or any similar tool to see how your resume performs. It'll show you which keywords are missing, where your formatting breaks, and how to boost your overall ATS score instantly. It's like having an X-ray for your resume, and it's a total game changer. So there you have it, 5 simple hacks to boost your resume ATS score instantly. Now your resume won't just look great, it'll pass the scan and reach real recruiters. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more resume and job tips, and drop a comment telling me which hack you're trying first. You got this. Now go ace that next application. Transforming careers and data analysis with the power of AI with MagicalAPI. www.magicalapi.com